Have you ever felt like you've been here before? Or wondered why the past feels so unreachable, while the future feels like an empty void? For centuries, humanity has viewed time as a linear progression, a relentless arrow flying from yesterday to tomorrow. We feel the now as the only reality. But what if our senses have been lying to us for our entire lives? What if the past hasn't disappeared, and the future is already here, waiting for you to arrive? Albert Einstein once wrote that the distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. Today, we dive deep into the most mind-bending theory in modern physics, the block universe. We are about to discover that reality is not a movie playing frame by frame, but a massive, frozen crystal of existence where everything that ever happened is still happening. Welcome to True Life. To understand the block universe, we must first understand space-time. We are used to three dimensions: height, width, and depth. But Einstein realized that time is not a separate thing. It is the fourth dimension. Imagine a movie film. If you look at a single frame, you see a static image. But the entire reel of film contains the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story all at once. The projectionist, our consciousness, simply moves the light along the strip. In the eyes of physics, the universe is a space-time loaf. In this 4D block, your 10th birthday and your 80th birthday are just two different points in space, as real and permanent as the city of New York and the city of London. They don't happen and vanish. They simply are. If the block universe is real, then now is a subjective term. Think about this. When you look at the stars, you are looking into the past. You see the light of a star that might have died millions of years ago. Now, imagine an alien in a galaxy billions of light years away. If that alien moves toward Earth or away from it, their slice of what is happening now on Earth changes by centuries. This is called the Rayet-Putnam argument, because now depends on your speed and position. There is no single universal now. And if there is no universal now, then every moment in the past and future must be equally real. The now you are experiencing is just a biological perspective, a flashlight beam hitting a tiny part of a dark, eternal room. Why does time only seem to go one way? Why can we remember the past but not the future? This is the arrow of time, governed by entropy. Physics tells us that the universe moves from order to disorder. Think of a glass falling and breaking. You never see a broken glass jump back onto a table and become whole. This creates the illusion of a flow. But in the block universe, the broken glass and the whole glass both exist forever. Our brains are simply wired to process information in the direction of increasing entropy. We are like travelers on a train, looking out the window. We see the scenery passing by, but the mountains we've passed haven't ceased to exist, and the tunnel ahead is already there. This leads us to a terrifying question. If the future is already written in the block universe, do we have free will? If your choices tomorrow are already part of the frozen 4D block, are you just a puppet following a script? Some physicists argue that the block is not one single path, but a multiverse of infinite possibilities. Every choice you make branches the universe into a new slice of the block. In this view, every version of your life exists. You are not just one person. You are a collection of every choice you ever could have made. Quantum mechanics suggests that until we observe a moment, it remains a wave of possibilities. We are the architects of our own slice of the eternal block. The block universe isn't just a cold scientific theory. It changes how we think about life and death. If time doesn't flow away, then nothing is ever truly lost. Your loved ones who have passed away are still alive in the earlier coordinates of the block. Your happiest moments are not gone. They are permanent landmarks in the fabric of reality. In a sense, we are immortal. We are like characters in a book. Even when a reader finishes the last page, the characters still exist on page 1, page 50, and page 100. They are eternal within the covers of the story. You are an eternal character in the story of the universe. We spend our lives worrying about the future and regretting the past. Reality is much grander, much more stable, and much more beautiful than our limited senses can perceive. You are a part of a structure that spans billions of years. You are a star that never stops shining. When you look at the clock tomorrow, remember, time is not your master. It is just the stage on which your eternal story is written. Keep searching for the truth. This is true life. Don't forget to subscribe as we continue to unlock the secrets of our existence.